everyone! Kumusta na po kayo? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine today. Lipo kayo, samahan niyo kung magluto tayo ng creamy sweet potato. Ayan, ginamitan ko lang po siya ng 1.5 liter of water and few dried cloves. Yan. And then I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Adjust your salt. And then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And 1.5 pound of cooked sweet potato. And I'm gonna peel it. Alisin niyo po yung balat niya. And then, I'm gonna have to mash it. Pagkatapos niyo pong ilagay, durugin niyo po siya. You have to mash your sweet potatoes. Yan. Kung wala po kayo niyan, pwede na rin ang sandok. Yeah, madali na lang siyang i-mash kasi na-boil na po yan. It's already been cooked, so it's so easy to mash. And I'm gonna add 3 cups of cooked ground beef. The recipe on my ground beef is in my previous post. So that is composed of shredded carrots and ground black pepper and salt and soy sauce and ground beef, yeah, and garlic and onion. Yeah, that doesn't have any grease. So, alisin niyo po yung grease ng beef. So, these are fresh basil leaves. Yan. Yan, that's what the good thing about when you have your fresh herbs in the backyard. Yan. Pick a few stalks. Very fresh kasi umulan siya last week. I think it was last week. It rained last week, so it's nice and fresh. Now these are the rosemary herbs. I have them in my yard too. Yeah. Pick some few stalks too. Then wash it off. Wash it really good. I didn't show them in the video the full length of washing it. Yan. Then you have to boil that for about 15 minutes. And then add your herbs. Yan, chop nyo lang siya ng maliliit. And put as much as you like. And then save some for later or pick some more later on for your toppings. Yan. Then I'm gonna prepare my thickener. 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Add more if you like, or add less. Soy sauce, yan. And I'm gonna add my flour. 1/3 cup of flour. If you want a little bit thicker, you can add more flour to it. Yan. Then, you have to stir up really good. Haluin niyo po siyang mabuti. Para hindi siya buo-buo. So, it won't be clumpy. Yan. And then, I'm gonna add some cream cheese. 1 cup of cream cheese. If you want, you can add 1.5 if you want it really creamy, or 2 cups. So that's 1 cup. I use half measuring cup. Yan. Make sure you stir it once in a while. And remove all those clumps. Dissolve the cream. Yan. And then start removing the stalks from the rosemary. I think I had about 5 in there. 4 or 5. There you go, it's done. You just have to boil that for like 3 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Yan. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for sticking up with me and being so patient. Yan. I added some Greek yogurt to make it creamy before serving it. Yan, and fresh basil. Yan. Look at that yumminess. Thank you, thank you. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Sorry, once in a while I can't post, but hopefully I can post almost every week. Thank you, thank you. Have a great day. Bye. See you soon.